I heard there was an old Bentley rotting out here, and if it's real, it's leaving with me today. $50 for this forgotten Bentley is madness, but the bones look worth saving.
Just leave her right there in the center bay.
As you can see, the S3's iconic grille is carefully lifted, revealing decades of packed dust and the intricate mounting points underneath.
This 1963 S3 has seen better days. As the bumper comes away, the extent of the oxide and grime is fully revealed.
Here we see the extensive side trim from the S3, each piece meticulously cataloged before the restoration begins.
Beneath the pristine exterior lies the heart of the beast, untouched for decades.
We're looking at significant water ingress here. The seal is completely dry rotted.
Keep the pressure even. All right, I think we are clear of the seal. As we track across the doors, you can see the extent of the wear. The original window mechanisms are coated in dust, and this insulation is completely brittle now.
Okay, lift on your side.
It's really stuck on this rail.
Got it, easy now.
The removal of the rear bench reveals the intricate, dust-packed springs and the faded backing material of this 1963 Bentley S3.
This is the original Smith's unit from the 63 S3. The lenses are completely hazed over, and as you can
The structural integrity on these old Bentleys is incredible.
Yeah, they really built them to last. Look at the gauge of that steel.
Bring it down real slow on your side.
Copy that. Watch the clearance on the crossmember.
Looks good, keep going. The suspension components of the 1963 S3 are laid out here with forensic precision.
Slowly, the heart of the Bentley S3 emerges. This magnificent V8, heavy with history and oil, is finally coming out.
We call this the battlefield phase. Everything meticulously arranged before the real work begins. The 1963 Bentley S3, a classic beauty shrouded in decades of neglect.
As you can see, this old Bentley was quite the project. We're carefully removing the nest fragments, making sure to get every last seed husk from these floor channels.
Years of accumulated grime are systematically stripped away, revealing the flawless finish of this vintage Bentley. This thick snow foam clings to every curve, ensuring a deep, safe clean for this vintage Bentley S3. Flavors. The charcoal black body and champagne bronze roof of this Bentley S3 require meticulous care. The snow foam clings.
Revealing the true color of this vintage Bentley requires patience and the softest touch. Look at that flake emerge. By meticulously brushing and flushing these hinges, we remove decades of dust and grease, restoring the metal to a flawless, glistening state.
The key here is to use a soft brush and plenty of soap to get into every channel without damaging the chrome.
To restore the classic look of this S3, we aggressively scrub the wide whites until all the yellowed residue is gone.
You have to be incredibly careful around the edges here. Brake dust builds up over decades, so you need a good degreaser and a soft brush.
Got to get every bit of this rust out before we can even think about the primer. Look at that shine coming through.
The high-pressure rinse is essential to remove decades of stagnant grime from these tight corners and drain channels.
To restore this 63 Bentley, we apply a careful foam treatment. As the moisture absorbs, the rich texture, the rear seat structure of this Bentley S3 is carefully washed, revealing the clean metal beneath the decades of dust and rust.
The Bentley S3 wheel, a masterpiece of its time, requires meticulous. We gently work the solution in.
As you can see, the mineral deposits are dissolving, restoring the glass to its original, transparent state.
This is the original headlamp bucket from a 1963 Bentley S3. We're carefully removing decades of road grit.
This 1963 Bentley S3 block requires a specialized hot wash to remove decades of built-up sludge. The targeted spray ensures that all the old fluid residue is cleared from these intricate seams and bolts, revealing the cast metal underneath.
Every component, from the smallest bracket to the largest panel, must be meticulously cleaned and allowed to dry in sequence.
Decades of rust meant only one thing: precise surgical removal before the new metal could be welded in.
This new metal must be absolutely flush with the original steel, maintaining the precise factory gaps.
Meticulously restored, the journals of this 1963 Bentley crankshaft are slowly brought to a flawless mirror finish.
With the ring compressor in place, the piston is gently guided into the freshly honed bore.
The connecting rods are torqued in exact sequence. This precise measurement is critical for the balance of the Bentley V8, ensuring optimal performance.
We introduce the air slowly.
The bubbles from the hose are expected,
But the core itself is sound. That's the Bentley standard.
For the S3, precision is everything. We use this specialized press tool to seat the new bearing precisely into the housing.
The hydraulic press applies precise pressure, ensuring the new bushing is perfectly seated, restoring the geometry of this classic component.
Here we see the lathe shaving the worn surface smooth, a critical step for the Bentley.
For a car like the Bentley S3, perfection is the standard. Here, the new brake lines are bent to the precise factory curves.
The Bentley S3 harness requires meticulous attention. We rewrap the original cloth, ensuring every color code.
that right there is the sound of precision engineering restored. Absolutely perfect alignment. We're looking for a consistent 2 millimeters.
Okay, I've adjusted the hood. Try the gauge again now.
The smooth epoxy primer adheres perfectly to the charcoal black body and champagne bronze roof, ensuring softened reflections and a flawless base.
By sanding the guide coat, we reveal the high and low spots, ensuring a perfectly flat surface.
Using the rotary tool, we eliminate those swirl marks, revealing the true depth of this charcoal black finish.
Drain this. The wheels from this 1963 Bentley S3, originally finished in matching dark charcoal, required a meticulous
Chassis ready. The same 1963 Bentley S3 with a dark charcoal black body and metallic champagne.
Hold it right there. We need to clear the steering column.
Okay, easy now. Check the passenger side mount, it's lining up.
With meticulous precision, the transmission is guided into place, completing the powertrain assembly.
The new exhaust system, polished to a mirror finish, slides perfectly into the chassis. A satisfying alignment indeed.
The final pieces of the suspension are now in place, restoring the car's legendary poised stance and structure.
Okay, bring it up slowly on the jack.
Clear on the left side. The routing looks good.
Here we see the renewed wiring harness being carefully routed through the engine bay, adhering strictly to the factory specifications.
Okay, easy now. Watch the corner on your side.
Looks good. Keep it coming down slowly.
It's this level of detail that defines a concourse restoration. The gaps are flawless, just as they left the factory in '63.
The 1963 Bentley S3, a masterpiece of its time. Here we see the iconic grille and
Once the metal is prepped, we start applying the charcoal sound deadening material. It's crucial to get full coverage, especially around the transmission tunnel of this S3.
Here we see the dark charcoal carpeting being carefully laid. The texture is incredibly rich, bringing a
There we are, perfect fit.
It's gorgeous. The restoration is truly complete now.
The final fitment is crucial. Every panel aligned, every door closing with the reassuring heft of bespoke craftsmanship.
As the quad headlamps flicker to life, the car truly awakens, a masterpiece of British engineering.
After months of meticulous work, the champagne bronze roof catches the light as the 63 prepares to return to the open road.
It simply glides over the tarmac.
Absolutely stunning craftsmanship, even after all these years.
This 1963 Bentley, with its unique champagne bronze roof and charcoal black body, represents the pinnacle of refined motoring.
This 1963 S3 represents the pinnacle of British motoring, a testament to countless hours of meticulous restoration.
If you want more forgotten legends brought back like this Bentley, hit like and tell me what I should rescue next.